Hey guys, welcome back. This is Gjorgjievski here with another video. So today I put up a post on my Instagram to see what people wanted, and people want to see some Davinci Resolve on how to use it to edit their videos for YouTube. I want to say thank you to those who are subscribed and welcome to those who are here for the first time. Right now there is a current giveaway being ran. All you have to do is watch one of my previous videos, the one that I have just before this, about the gaming mouse, and at the end of that video you will be able to see how to enter for the giveaway. Alright, so let's get into this. Davinci Resolve. So here you can see all your projects that you had. These are my past projects, as you can see. If you want a new project, you click new project. Today I'm going to do YouTube tutorial, alright, because that's what I'm doing. Alright, so when you're here, you have a whole bunch of panels. I'm going to explain each section one by one as I go through editing my video, okay? So we're going to click File. If you want to import whatever video that you have, you click Import File, Import Media. And here I already have my desktop folder picked up. I want to select all of these because I might want to make a lengthy video. I don't know yet. Okay, here it asks you if you want to change the frame rate. You want to change it because if you don't, you're going to have some bad frame rate and you're going to think when you talk you're saying it at the right spot and it's just not working. So just always change it, especially if you're using capture software. Okay, so the other option you have is if you make this smaller. Well, obviously it doesn't make that small. But if you make it smaller, you can literally drag and drop whatever videos that you have on the desktop into this section and it will drop it in there for you. Okay, so there's that. Alright, so first video, you want to drag it, okay, in this section you see I clearly died immediately, so I want to delete this section, but I just want you guys to see the bottom panel here. So here you can see all your media that you have, okay. Here is where you edit, so this is where most of your edits are going to happen. Here is Fusion. I haven't really used this section yet, so as soon as I get a little more comfortable with it, I'll explain that to you. Here's color. This is how you can change the color accuracy on your video. If you want to make it a little brighter, change the contrast, whatever you down with. And here is Fairlight. This is where you're going to add your audio in or add music and all that jazz, okay? So here, this is the audio that came with the video. I don't want it in there. I just click delete or backspace. It's up to you. As long as you click the audio, then click backspace or delete, it'll delete. So let's say you're someone that wants to add a voiceover. You would right click in this section right under where it says audio 1. You click add track. You're going to do stereo, right? And then on the side, you're going to see A2 pop up. So in this, we're going to call this voiceover. And we're going to save it just so you have a peace of mind for yourself. Okay? You're going to click here where it says no input, because you want to add input. So here you see input. We're going to click that. We want to have left and right speaker covered, and the audio source where I'm going to speak into my mic, I would click snowball, and then you click this button that says patch. Boom, it's patched in, and then you go here and click the little X to close out the box, okay? So when I am ready to do my voiceover, I will click the record button. In Davinci Resolve, you're able to take your video out of this corner and you can move it so you can have a better look at it while it's recording over. And I'm just going to show you a voiceover while I'm talking about this. So if you click the record, in that situation it kind of double over recorded. But anyways, so here you see me talking in the little voice section and you can see the video on the side, so you make sure you're matching up what you're saying to the video. If you're someone that's doing like an unboxing, that would be perfect for you, because then you have close to an authentic unboxing or voiceover of your choosing. But yeah, so once you're done recording, you want to hit that little R button that shows that you're recording. Then turn up the volume so you can hear yourself and click the play button so you can play it back and hear yourself. Because if not, you're going to have that sound effect of like when a mic is too close to a speakerphone, and it's going to drive you crazy, because it drives me crazy. So that's how you add voiceovers. If you want to add music, you right click, you click add tracks, okay? And then, I'm sorry, I lie. So here, you want to import media. So this is your media as well, okay? So you want to right click, you want to click import media. Let's go to music. No, I'm lying. Let's go to downloads. Downloads. Okay. We're going to click a song. In this case, my beach song. I clearly love this song, but I'm just going to use it for now. Sorry. We want to add a track. Stereo. Okay. Then you just want to add your song in. Bang. Okay. Drop it in there. You have your song. So there's two ways that you can have the song play in the background. Now you can do some settings over here that I will show in the next video, so it can like get lower as you talk or get higher when you stop talking. That's another option. I finally perfected it, so I'm going to show you how to do it. But the easiest way to do it is go back to your edit tab, which is this one. Okay. Go to the song, and you're going to see this double arrow pop up. You just drag it on down to lower the decibels, and boom. Okay. It's going to be low, and it's going to be you talking. Okay. So now let's get into cropping the video and then exporting our file. Okay. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm just going to show you what you can do. Okay. All right. So let's say you don't want to sit here and watch the whole video play through. You're just going to grab this little orange tab that you see here. Like, I guess it's a marker tab. And you just zoom past what the fuck you're trying to find. Stamp it, clip it, and go from there. All right. So I'm going to show you how to clip it. This is going to be a cut tool. Wherever you want to cut from. So I want to cut from when that scene started. Then I want to delete everything in front. You click that section that you want to delete, and you hit the delete button. Okay, and the reason why I like this feature, because if you do backspace, it deletes it and leaves the other part of the video where it was. If you hit delete, it brings the part of the video that you want to keep to the front, stop here, because I want the next scene to follow. I can just drag this down, boom, clip off the end, and drag the next scene. I don't think these videos follow each other, but we're about to find out right now. Okay. Drag another video that you want to add, pop it right behind it. So let's say I want my video to end here. Let's say I want to hit my like and subscribe, right? So here you have titles. If you look to your left on the toolbox, you have titles. And here there are titles that are built in Fusion. So I'm assuming Fusion you can create your own cutscenes and stuff like that. Now that I'm looking at this, I didn't realize that was there. So I'm going to learn how to create my own transitions and stuff. I'm going to show you how to do that too. So here, let's say I want to say like and subscribe or subscribe. Let's just do the slide in. Okay. Gonna pop this right here. Okay. Double click this text and let you show right here. Boom. I'm gonna hit like, and I don't like that. I like the little and sign, the ampersand, and subscribe. Okay. Now that's there. All right. So you want to see how it looks. So this little red bar is going to turn blue as the transition goes through. I feel like I might need 32 gigabytes of RAM. Right now I'm running on 16. But I've done this on my laptop and I've done this on my desktop and I have no issues. I'm just someone that just wants things to happen fast. But if you just wait about 30 seconds to a minute, it's going to go all the way through and you can see how the transition looks. So as you see, the blue line is slowly getting to the end. And as soon as it gets to the end, I'm going to bring this red marker back and see how the clip looks. Alright, so I'm going to hit play, let it run through. Alright, so you're going to hear the music that's affiliated with this video. And you're going to hear me talking in the video. Basically just to show you this is how it goes through. So you're going to play it over, hear the music, hear your voiceover, and make sure it matches up with whatever you created. And this is a good way to double check and go back. Alright, maybe the music is too loud, maybe not. And you can also see how the transition ends. One thing I want to know, when you're getting ready to export your file, right, to render your whole video, make sure you cut your music when the video ends, because trust me, it's going to render past the video if the music end is still there. That is the squeaker from my dog. All right, because, you know, she doesn't want to relax. All right, so you're satisfied with your video. You go to this little rocket, and this is where you're getting ready to export everything. So you want to click YouTube. You want to name this because it's going to go to another section, depending on where you have your stuff going to. All right. Why is it not letting me rename? Okay, I don't know what's happening there. So, YouTube tutorial 1, just in case. I don't want to overwrite whatever I had before, just in case. So, you can have it restrict to 1000. So far, I've been using the quality to best. It's just for me. My resolution is my screen resolution, but I do put Ultra HD because my computer can render stuff pretty fast, in my opinion. After you have set all the things that you want, you can set the audio, but I'm not doing all that. Format is QuickTime, I guess. I never even noticed that, but whatever. When I upload it, it works. When I double check it on my computer, it works. So, click Add to Render Queue. I'm going to save it because that's where it's going to go. Oh, side note. Always use Control S to save your file because one of my videos, I didn't save it, and when I was rendering it, it crashed and everything was gone. So, Control S automatically saves. So, hit it every few minutes, or in settings. I'm assuming you could put auto save, but I haven't gone through the settings. So, you hit Start Render, and you let it work its magic. So as you see here, the render time is going to be under 60 seconds because I have Ultra HD and it has music and stuff, and it has the audio file. So that's why it's taking 45 seconds. But I've done 10-minute videos, and depending on how much stuff I put in it, it can take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes because of the machine that I built. So there's that. So we get to the end, renders in progress, completed in 32 seconds. So that's a record high, people. It's a 34-second video and it rendered in 32 seconds. That's amazing. All right, guys. So this is just a quick tip. This is a quick video. Probably not that quick when you guys watch it, but this is a quick video on how to use Davinci Resolve. I really appreciate you guys if you watched it to this point. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. If you use any other editing softwares, please leave that in the comment section down below. That may help other viewers that are watching this channel. Again, if you want to enter the giveaway, please hit that like button, subscribe, go to my last video, and that will give you the tips, how to enter the giveaway. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. AJXG out.